Look no further than the 2021 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.